back. Okay, ready? Okay. Whee! Okay. I can't see it. There. Whee! Branches gotta burn here. We have to. My boyfriend cut some trees for the satellite dish. Haven't had satellite like 3 years. And there's trees that got tall and it's blocking the signal there. And he has to cut some more trees over here. About possibly 2 to 5 more trees or something. So here's a tree here. I cleared all these branches here yesterday so that, you know, it doesn't start catching on fire all over the place there. And then Maxipug's over there. You can see him, he's tied over there. So it's pretty nice out today. Hope everybody's having a good day. So I'm gonna be burning those branches right there. Finally, I think it's gonna catch now. I just realized the camera was backwards. There's still mosquitoes. It's horrible.